Well, g'day curd nerds. Today we're doing a taste test for a very anticipated cheese, and this is Parmesan, or better known as Parmesan. So for all of the Italians who flamed my Parmesan video, it's not how Parmesan is made, this is how to make Parmesan yourself at home. Anyway, I have the cheese now after 1 full year. It's been maturing in my little cheese cave, which is basically a dorm fridge or bar fridge that's been converted with an external thermostat. I've been turning it every week, and there appears to be no whey squeezed out of it. So let's open it up. My trusty scissors. I'm very excited. Hopefully the smell is going to be amazing. Oh, no way at all. That's very smooth. There's no moisture at all, a little bit of mould, I don't know where that's come from, maybe it's only a tiny bit on the inside there, but oh, smells like Parmesan. Let's just have a look. Let's just cut it open, shall we? Get on with it, Gav, they're all saying. This is a lot harder than the other cheeses I've cut recently. Oh, let's get all the way through. Come on, there we go. Oh, nice clean knife blade. Oh, very close knit. It's not crumbly like a Parmesan would normally be. So I'm a little bit disappointed if just for that little bit there though, but my God, it smells amazing. Smells like Parmesan, I suppose. All right, let's cut it in quarters. I like how the paste is very tight. Oh. And same again, nice tight paste. Couple of little air holes, probably more mechanical than anything else. And I'm going to cut it into quarters, because what I want to do, I want to grate some, because grating aerates it as well, and you can smell the aroma so much better. Anyway, so all that aside, let's taste a bit, shall we, first, with my super duper knife. My God. Ugh. Right, there we go. Beautiful, nice clean paste. Anyway, I've got a cracker. Do I need a cracker? Yeah, I think I do. Right. Oh. Oh. You know, that's almost a little bit nutty. Certainly has got a spicy aftertaste. Oh yeah. Very, very good. You know what? I think it's more of a cross between, say, an Emmentaler and Parmesan, because it's in between. Maybe another year of maturing would probably do it, and give us the Parmesan texture, but I don't think enough moisture's been released because it's been trapped in the bag. Yeah, absolutely delightful. A good eating cheese, actually. Let's see how it grates though. Perfect. Oh yeah, it's so much more aroma when you grate the cheese because you get all that, the surface area is increased. And the flavour, a lot better when it's grated. It's still a fairly soft cheese. It's not rubbery, it's just firm. So I would say that after an entire year in the cheese cave, this Parmesan is a success. Delightful little cheese, and I highly recommend that you give it a go. If you want to see the original Parmesan video, then you can click over here. Don't forget, while you're here, if you haven't already, please subscribe and you'll get informed of more cheesy content on a weekly basis. And of course, don't forget to give it a like. You can buy the Italian cheese kit to make this cheese over at littlegreenworkshops.com.au. Anyway, thank you for watching, Curd Nerds, and I'll see you next time.